guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy for October. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, this is my Ipsy for October. I'm not gonna lie, it feels very light, so I don't know what's in there, but it's super cute. Look at the bag. It's got like vampire teeth. Love it for Halloween. The first thing I pick up is from Tarte's sister brand, Sugar Rush. It is a clay liner in bronze. So let's open it up. I don't think I've ever tried this formula before. I have so much on my hand. I just did a video of this eye look, so that's coming to you soon. This will probably be up before that video because these videos do not take at all to edit. When you're doing eye looks and different things like that, that one takes so long to edit. So these are quicker to get up there. But this is in bronze. It says easy on the eyes. That's the shade right here. And if you like my nails, I finally did my nails myself. This is dip powder. I actually loved it. I bought like a kit of it from Amazon and I was super excited. I've been having it since September, and when I went to go do it, one of the bottles I was going step by step and it was missing the activator that was in there. Well, it was in there, but the bottom was completely empty. I was so aggravated. I was like, I have my nails like this, and went to get the activator and the bottle was just completely empty. So I purchased it off of Amazon. So I went to Amazon and said it could not resend me the item, or I could not return the item because of flammable liquids. I'm guessing it's shipped from the actual seller and not from Amazon. But Amazon, I reached out to Amazon and they did refund me for the whole kit, which I just needed the one bottle of activator in the kit. But that was, you know, nice of them. But I was stuck, so I had to go to the store and I got this top, like a gelish coat to put on there, and it actually is pretty. So it came out really nice on my first time, so I'm very excited about that. Very excited. So let's get back to this liner. It says, we're calling this liner everything proof. The shimmery bronze pigment won't run, smear, or smudge for a full 16 hours. Wow, that's amazing. Even on your waterline. Just twist it up more product as the liner wears down and use a tiny built-in sharpener. It snaps off from the end to keep the tip crisp. It's vegan, cruelty-free. The value of this item is $19, so I didn't even notice that there is a sharpener on one edge. See? And you just clip it back on there. Pretty cute, pretty cool, pretty cool. So that is the first item I pick up. Let's see what else we got in this bag. The next thing I pick up is from Illamasqua. It says Icon Black High Volume Intense Curl Mascara. That is the packaging. Sleek silver on black. I'll show you the wand. It says the multitasking mascara has a uniquely shaped silicone brush that lifts, thickens, lengthens, and curls each and every lash for a dramatic wide-eye look. Wiggle the wand from lash roots to tips. Apply more coats for more volume and length. It's long-lasting and smudge-proof. The value of this item is $25. So I do not like prickly wands, but I am willing to try it. I love trying new mascaras, so I'm happy about this item. So the next item I pick up out the bag is from This Works 24-Hour Skin Solutions. I don't think I've heard of that brand before. Ooh, my wrinkles eye repair. Brighten up and forget about wrinkles and slow release vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Well, if you know me, my skin does not like vitamin C, but I will try it. It says it's a slow release vitamin C. So I'm super excited to try it. This is the tube. It has 0.67 fluid ounces, which is 20 milliliters. It says a combo of smoothing bakuchiol. Is that how you pronounce that? A natural ingredient that functions similarly to retinol. Brightening vitamin C and plumping hyaluronic acid in this eye cream help you feel awake on tired mornings. Apply a small amount to your eye area morning and night. So this is a morning eye cream. More reasons you'll love it. The formula is made with 97% natural ingredients and the tube is 100% recyclable. That is awesome. I haven't heard of this brand, so I love trying new brands. The value of this item is $56, so I'm pretty excited about that item. The next item I pick up is from Sarah Beauty. It is a brow pencil. It comes like this. It's like packaging, like drugstore packaging. It has that seal that you have to rip off of there. It comes with a little spoolie on the end, which I'm not mad at. And then this is the brow pencil. It does feel hard, which I do not like hard brow pencils. I like them to be hard, but a lot more creamier than that. But I will try it. This, because I have not tried it before, it's in dark brown, so it is my shade. It says this dark brown pencil has an ultra fine tip and waterproof finish that makes it easy to create fuller, thicker brows that won't smudge or fade for hours. Use the pencil tip to fill in sparse spots, and then use the spoolie to brush your brow hairs in the directions they would naturally grow to soften any harsh lines. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free, which is amazing. The volume of this item is $17, so I'm not mad at that either. Let's see, the last item in this bag is from RealHer Bronze Beauty Power Wear Ombre Bronzer. So let's open it up and see what it looks like, because I'm not mad. I love me some bronzer. It says it's ombre. So I think our dude sent me an ombre blush the last time. I don't see anything ombre about it. It does look like a tone that I would definitely wear. It has a hint of warmth. I'll have to see how it works. Very pretty packaging. It's like I thought it was like a rose gold. And I guess it has a tint of rose gold in it. But it's more of chrome, but it's really pretty. It has a nice mirror in there. It looks a little bit more cool tone in the pan, but then when you swatch it, you can see the warmth in it. So I'm interested to try this bronzer. It says, give your skin an instant glow with this natural looking bronzer. The silky smooth powder blends like a dream, and the long wear formula is infused with antioxidants to help protect your skin, which is awesome. Use a makeup brush to lightly dust it over your temples, across your cheeks, and along your jawline, and then blend using circular motions. Ooh, it's vegan and cruelty free, which is amazing. The retail value of this bronzer is $30. So let's add her up and see what we get. I guess we had the Tarte Sugar Rush eye pencil, which was $19. We had the Illamasqua mascara, which was $25. And then we have the This Works Wrinkle Repair eye cream, which I don't think I'm into the amount of that product, which was $56. And then the Sarah Beauty Brow Pencil, which was $17. The RealHer Bronzer, which I don't know why it says ombre bronzer, because it wasn't an ombre, but that's what it states. It's $30. So the total of this box is $147. What do you think? What do y'all think? I'm okay, because I know that I'm going to use all of the products, and some of the products I have not tried before, so I'm always interested to try new brands. What do y'all think? Did y'all, if you received Ipsy, did you receive any of the same products I received? Let's talk in the comments below. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I am so excited to be filming again. I have started another job, so I have my full-time job, I have a seasonal job, and I do these YouTube videos on the side. And also my little girl, she's got dance 2 nights a week, just a full-time schedule right now, so it's kind of hard for me to film. But I have to start filming. I have so many products. I have so much stuff. I'm gonna have a video of all brand new products, full face impressions, first impressions. I love those videos. So I've been saving some new products from that, and I do have a lot of Ready Set Eye videos. We have lots of new eyeshadow palettes that were released. I know I'm late on videoing them and reviewing them, but I got them coming to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, until next time, y'all stay blessed.